Greetings Diecast Racing fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for another Hot Wheels themed interlude, shall we call it. So, what we have in front of me here are some presents that I received for my 50th birthday that a friend thought would make some good content, so I'm making some content with it. I'm going to go through them all in a bit and go over what we've got. I don't know yet whether I'm going to do a time lapse for building the monster truck and the race car. Depends on how complex they are. Hope you're all doing well. Don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. Right, I'm going to go through them one by one, working out or up from complexity, the more different things. Starting off with this metal sign, which is really cool. So I'm going to get it out of the packaging. I don't know whether this has actually got magnetic strips to auto mount it around the side or whether that's just the fold overs. But yeah, it's going back to the original Hot Wheels Sizzlers. So it's the Sizzling 6 set. Back in the day when it was Mattel. The old Hot Wheels logo. The buttons that continue to this day on the specials. And then it's just very plain on the back. So that will go up on the wall, probably somewhere near to my editing computer at some point. Right, moving on from that. Candy sticks. We call them candy sticks nowadays as opposed to candy cigarettes, which is what they were when I was a child. Candy sticks with stickers. So because I'm trying to be healthy, I am going to pull the stickers out. I'm not going to necessarily eat the candy sticks right now, although come Monday, which is treat day, I will probably have a thing. This one has a link up with Netflix. Hot Wheels Let's Race 96 is candy sticks with stickers. Right, let's get this open. And we have got inside a number of packs. 2, 4, 6 packs. Right, starting with this one, we have got, is that muscle and blown on the front of that? Sticker inside. So we've got the candy sticks in there. Where's the sticker? Oh, there's the sticker. Put these back in here. Look like chalk. So that was the first one. This is a sticker. This is a sticker. Do not eat. That's cool. I like that. Right, next up. Jolly Roger. My guess is, yeah. And let's see if we can get the sticker out this time without shooting all of the candy sticks out. Blue, I can see blue. There we go. And this time what we've got, oh, we've got the shark car. Jawsome. That's cool as well. I like that. I might chuck these in as prizes for something. There's the shark car in the front of that one. What we got inside this? I mean, we've got a nice back on there as well. Blimey, we're at 4 minutes already. Right, What's that? Has that got a shark sticker in it as well? Yeah, it's got the same shark sticker. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to pull the stickers out and then I'll go through the boxes. Right, so this one, it's cool. Like the look of that. And that one has the race team sticker in it. This one has the same race team sticker in it. And then the Skull Crusher. So it's all of the Hot Wheels own brand stuff because that's cheaper to do. Challenge accepted sticker. I like that. I like that a lot. So we got 4 different types of stickers from the 6 boxes. Right, moving on swiftly. Next up is the A4 bumper stationery set with a nice Ziploc top, which should be useful. Don't know what I'm going to use this for. I might use this for tracking some of my racing stuff. So unzip the top. Right, I pulled it out, so we've got nice zip seal baggie that will be useful for something. I'll take the sticker off that. Got the cardboard on the back, which has a door hanger on it that you can cut out, which again I will probably save out. We've got a pencil case, again that will get used and put to use. A set of child safe scissors, which I'm probably not going to use, but yeah, they're a bit of fun. Looks like the elastic on here might be useful. We've got some colouring pencils or colouring crayons, which all have a Hot Wheels sticker on them. I'll grab that out. So just grab one of the pencils out. They're all the same. They've got the same wrap round with a number of cars on. I would have to pull the blue one out, of course. Let's see if we can slide this off. So we have a pencil that is unsharpened, which has, see if we can get it to focus, Muscle and Blown, which seems to be a new favourite. 2 of the new favourites actually. On there, the Hot Wheels logo. We have a pencil sharpener. Hot Wheels. It doesn't retain it, so you have to hold it over the bin to do it. And we have a checkered flag logo eraser. And then we have some elastics on the back that may also be useful. I'm using the scissors to cut this out. Shows they work. Sweet ASMR. So cut that out. I'm not going to do the middle bit with these, but it does show on there. So cut out your own hanger. It shows the Hot Wheels Let Race, Netflix, Mattel, HotWheels.com shows it's officially licensed. These are the bungees, which no doubt will get some use somewhere along the line. They may become a scale accessory to help as tie downs on one of my RC rigs. Now on to the main bit I'm excited about, the Hot Wheels Turbocharged notebook. Oh cool, it has so many of the cars on the inside. They're all the Hot Wheels designs as opposed to the licensed real designs. It's got the flame logo on the corner of each page. That's awesome. Right, onto the 2 model kits. So both of these I should think are going to be fairly similar, 2 different models. So this is Muscle and Blown race car. It's got a set of stickers with it. Easy construction, tools included, metal kit. Although why they've got the Jolly Roger in the corner there, I don't know. It's quite heavy. Build and customise metal kit. I'm guessing the customise is just the stickers. On the back it shows both kits. So I've got both of them. This one, it's got the tools, the blue screwdriver, which will be useful, and a little spanner. I'm probably going to make these up off of camera, and then we'll look at the other one, which has got the blue Hot Wheels stickers, the monster truck, Race Ace monster truck, and on the back we'll see the opposite. So I'll break these out of the packaging and come back in a second. Right, just use a knife to open up the end of the box here. We've got a tray inside, pull the tray out so we can have a look at that at the back here. We've got a bag of nuts and bolts, the screwdriver, the main chassis panels, all of the connectors, the wheels and trim pieces, your set of stickers with the engine there. That's quite cool. The Hot Wheels ones, which I am not going to put onto it because I'm going to save them. It's 173 pieces, and tells you how to put it all together. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to put it together, Dave. It's nice that it's got seats and stuff inside. And then it looks like the wheels are just push on. It has got wing mirrors. That's that one. Then this one, I'm assuming is going to be very much the same. A little cardboard disc fell out. I don't know what that's about. And that one is the same. Got the blue trim pieces, got the connectors, got the bolts, got the chassis stuff, and then we've got the massive monster truck wheels. And then in the bottom we've got the stickers. Oh right, okay. So we've got one complete Hot Wheels, and then we've got the various other bits. That's 197. That was 173. So there's more pieces in this one than there is in that one and in that one. And again, pretty simple things, including at the end how to sticker it up, building the chassis, putting all of that together. So an awesome set of gifts. Let me pull it all together. Wow, what an awesome set of gifts. I will get these put together at some point, but not today. I have got a couple more videos I need to film today. Candy sticks, they may get put into packages when I'm sending out prizes to people. The stickers will get used, this will get used. And just as a little extra bonus, I picked this up the other day. So I have got an Optimus Prime now. That's not getting opened. But yeah, and many of you that watch the RC side of things, you'll know that I have Optimus Blue, my ultimate Class 2 crawler. But yeah, just wanted to throw that one in. Right, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. We will be back next week with Group A of the Open Top Shootout. 8 cars going down the track in 2 sets of 4 to see who goes through to the top 8 and the bottom 8. Thanks very much for watching. Drop us something interesting down in the comments section.